has started, and of course it has begun on a stormy note. Started with External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar speaking about the escalating conflict in the Middle East. He says dialogue necessary to ease tension. Prime Minister monitoring the situation. Sovereignty of all countries important. Conflict intensifies security situation in the region, but he goes on to emphasize that India wants stability in West Asia, and there are three guiding factors he speaks about. India advocates a de-escalation, wants only peace, is what S. Jaishankar said, and also went on to say that well-being of Indians is a priority. National interest, including energy security, is paramount. So those are the details as far as S. Jaishankar's address before the parliament is concerned. Of course, this was an address amid a huge uproar in Rajya Sabha. Let's go straight across to Tejshri on this. Tejshri, we just heard External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar there speaking about three guiding factors as far as the escalating tension is concerned. One is, of course, de-escalation. Well-being of Indians is a priority across Gulf, across Middle East, and national interest, including energy security, is paramount, is something he has emphasized.
Well, absolutely. If we talk about the speech, that's in fact the statement made by S. Jaishankar, the Foreign Affairs Minister there in Rajya Sabha today, where in fact he went on to say that, of course, it is a matter of concern, deep matter of concern, keeping in mind so as to what is happening in the Middle East, number one. Number two, in fact, he also stated that there are a number of individuals who are losing their life, casualties are happening, and infrastructure is also being damaged. But what India stands for peace, not just that, but also in fact, India believes in dialogue and diplomacy. Also, in fact, he stated that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, spoke to head of the states of UAE, of Qatar, of Saudi Arabia, Oman, Jordan, Israel, Bahrain, and also, in fact, they said that we are urging all to ease the tensions as of now. And also, in fact, he mentioned about all those Indians, millions of Indians who have been staying here, who have been, who are based over here in Middle East. They are worried and concerned about that, and also in fact mentioned about how efforts are being made to bring back the stranded Indians. Thousands of them have already reached in the national capital, who were stranded in several parts of, say it be in UAE or other places as well. The helplines are all open. The embassy in fact is getting in touch with all those who require help for smooth travel from the places where they are stranded to the national capital as well. But now if we talk about so as to what is the ongoing situation, and especially Prime Minister has spoken to all the heads to head of the states, like from UAE to Saudi Arabia to Qatar, and all in fact have been reiterating the same line that they believe in dialogue, they believe in diplomacy, and they want that the tensions that are escalating, they want that those tensions should de-escalate, because we have been seeing that how there is a continuous escalation from both the sides. Neither of the country is ready to sit on the table and talk for peace. And if we talk about sitting on table, then Donald Trump, the US president, is very much clear that he wants unconditional surrender of the Iranian regime, of the Iranian authorities, of the Iranian government. But Iranian government is also on the other hand very much adamant, saying that now they are completely into war, and that they will not sit quiet after the death after the killing, the manner in which their supreme leader Ayatollah Khamenei was killed, and they are not going to sit quiet. Concerning pictures in fact are emerging from each part of the Middle East. If we talk about Dubai, currently I'm reporting from Al Satwa, which is the one of the oldest market. Quickly, I would like to show you the visuals over here.
Tejshri, just give me a moment. We will come back to you. Of course, you are showing us pictures of the current situation in Dubai. But before I come back to you, let me go to Aditya. Aditya, S. Jaishankar has spoken. He's given that address before the parliament. He says dialogue and diplomacy is what is necessary, and that Prime Minister is monitoring the situation. They are in touch with all the officials. Embassy is doing its job. So diplomacy, dialogue and peace are the key highlights as far as Jaishankar's speech is concerned, and India's stand amid escalating